Hello guys, welcome to Anjodaya Vlogs. Sunday evening, we are in Jayanagar 4th block for a small shopping. Here the toughest part is to get a parking lot. Luckily today we got it. So if you are coming here, try to be early so that you can find a better parking lot. Appu is so excited because he knows he'll get to find some toys. And now Chinchu is tensed. So guys, as I said, this time it is gonna be a view from Jayanagar 4th block, wherein we covered in 2 days, one day with our nephew and the other day without our nephew. So let's go into Jayanagar 4th block and do more shopping, which will be like kind of resembling the Black Friday shopping. People who are in Bangalore will definitely know about this place. This is really famous for shopping and you get to find everything in affordable rates. Come, see, you can see a lot of buckets here, pots, boutiques are there. So it won't be very expensive as in other parts of Bangalore. See, nice footwears. Nice, no? ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದು 300 ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದು
A320
ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ
300 ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ
300 last time. And we got some subscribers also from here. You can find this beautiful shop here. It has all types of footwear. It is next to Fashions Boutique. So if you are here, you can come here and ask for good footwears. So this is the market side of Jayanagar 4th block. You can find all vegetables, fruits, everything you will get here. It will be super fresh and definitely cheap. Wow, these are so cute. Cactus. The rates are also very less. If you see 300, 200, 250 and all, you will get 100 is also there. Look at the fruits, guys. It is so fresh. If you ask the price, definitely it will be affordable. Those eco-friendly bags cost 100 rupees. See, these you can wear at home, pyjamas. Beautiful pyjamas. See, so nice. Palazzo type. ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದು 250. See, 2 piece he'll give for 450. So if you keep bargaining, I think you can make a better payment. Socks, find these type of socks here. It's very good for ladies to wear. 3 pair 100 rupees. So it's reasonable. So guys, we are entering the main complex of the market. So outside itself you can find leggings for 100 rupees. See, beautiful earrings are there. See, lot of footwear here. So many footwear, everywhere footwear. Stylish shoes, belt, chappals, everything. See? See? This are all just 150 rupees. Nice skirt. 350. ಎರಡು ಕಲರ್ ಇದು ಎರಡು ಕಲರ್. So there are 2 colors in this type. ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ. We are selecting this for our niece. Beautiful skirt. For another niece of ours, nice skirt. For another niece of ours. See all these beautiful dress for 300 rupees.
300 long top 300
Long top.
long top ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ 300 डेली वेयर ऑफिस प्योर कॉटन टॉप्स हां डेली वेयर ऑफिस का अच्छा है
अच्छा है.
विद स्लीव आएगा
हाँ.
पूरा वॉशेबल आइटम है प्योर कॉटन है
Pure
कुछ भी कंप्लेंट नहीं आएगा लेके जाओ
Okay.
पूरा एकदम धोने के बाद भी एकदम स्टिफ होता कपड़ा
हाँ.
कपड़ा तुम्हारा कलर नहीं छूटता एकदम अच्छा पूरा डबल इंटरलॉक गारंटी आइटम
किधर से है?
ये पूरा बॉम्बे आइटम है
Bombay item. Oh.
जयपुर क्लॉथ बॉम्बे
So
आइटम
these are from Bombay, Jaipur and all. Good cotton material. ये भी
दिस आल्सो 350
350.
with flap item with
Oh.
flap long top
ये अच्छा है. चिंचित വേണോ?
this 5 color available ma'am
Okay. ഇതാ. Nice.
see madam nice With tying also is there.
साइज ठीक है ना इसके
Free
लिए?
size, all free size,
हाँ
ma'am. Don't worry about size. Free size.
ओके. These pants are really good.
Jumbo palazzo, ma'am.
Jumbo palazzo.
Jumbo palazzo.
कितना है?
Only 350.
350.
490 of discount 350.
ओके.
Nice cloth. 5 colors also available.
अच्छा है. मटेरियल अच्छा है. अंजू देव व्लॉग्स ANJUDEV
Anju Dev.
व्लॉग BLOG व्लॉग. So for guys also you can find good track suits, shorts. We got this nice track pants also for rupees 250 rupees each. Very nice kurtas are there. See how nice it is. कितना है? 650. For 650 this is very good actually. For kids also you can find this beautiful skirt. See nice heels, block heels, wedges. Nice block heels are there. Very nice. ಎಷ್ಟು 400. 400 this is. For 400 this is really good. See nice wedges, Mickey Mouse. Wow. Look at this color, no? ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದು?
300.
300? Okay. This is 300 only. Nice. We thought of getting some cute shoes for us. We went in for open shoe. I got 2 shoes. And my sister Chinju got 3 shoes. Together they gave us some offer. It was kind of 200, 300 and we got around 5 shoes from there. One hint is that if you give them cash, they will give you more discount, but with the card or GPay, they won't give so much of discount. For kids, nice shoes, cute shoes. ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದು? 250. Very nice, beautiful. See, this pink is very beautiful. No? All are 250 rupees. Nice ones, comfortable ones. Again, some nice fancy block heels. ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದು? ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದು? 150. 150. This is really good. See how nice the bralets. These nice fancy watches, beautiful. You can find eatables also here. Pani puri, noodles, everything. Because my nephew is with us, he's a bit cranky. So based on that only we can do shopping. See nice beautiful carpets, curtains. See kurtas for 200 rupees. These are for houseware. Buy 3 shirts for 900. See beautiful wallets. I loved it. See beautiful wallets and bags. These are for 250, 150 and all. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಲೌಸ್ ಇದು? 150 for 150. Very beautiful and cute. ಇದು 100. Nice, no? ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದು? 250. We are getting this for Sham's mom. ಇದು 250 ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇದು? 250. See? ಇದು ಕೊಡಿಪ್ಪ ಇದು. Got this for 400. See. We got all 3 beautiful cute bags. 250, 250, 400. Nice dupatta, see? Nice dupatta. Nice dress, jeans and all you can find here. So let's look at jeans for Chinju. ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದು? 250. Super. Very nice, no? Only 250. 640.
Before discount.
Okay. So we'll give discount also. Without discount it is 640. Nice, no? Cute. I think I should take this. What do you say, guys? Good on me, right? Our cousin sister also we got another top. So guys, they're giving lot of offers, lot of discount, especially on Saturday and Sunday they will give additional discount. Okay. So meet our new friend Suhail. He was very helpful and supportive. Thanks.
You're welcome, man.
So got a new subscriber, Suhail. Thank you, dear. Bye. Another shop which had lot of beautiful tops. It is around 200, 300. You can find these kind of nice tops, guys. For kids, nice t-shirts. Nice nightie, beautiful nightie for 350 for our mom. Wow, see, cute bags. Nice bags are here also. Cool bags are also there. Nice leather jackets. Shrugs are there. Nighties. 200, 200 nighties. Nice ready-made blouse. 550. 550 you will get nice fancy ready-made blouse. Very nice. All colors are there. Different styles. Maybe I'll come once again. I mean, we keep coming here. So we'll see sometime later. See, this is a very good shop for bags. Nice one, right? Which two I do? 950. Nice. But it is worth. 3-in-1 for 850 rupees. It has a wallet, sling bag, and this bigger bag. Okay, thank you. See, lot of bags are here also. Bangle, nice beautiful bangle. See, wow. Eshtu idu? Adeshtu?
Idu 170.
170. 170, 150 set alva?
Ha, set.
Okay.
Bari ittara andre 50 rupees agutte, 50 rupees.
50 rupees. Idu?
Ha.
3 color.
Alla one dozen.
Okay. 50 rupees. We bumped into another shop which had lot of good earrings and other accessories for ladies, guys, etc. These cute earrings are only 10 rupees, guys. And this new friend of ours is from Mangalore. He joined our family, Anjude Vlogs. He even offered us tea. So people here are actually very nice and welcoming. No? Appu is automatically going inside toys shop. For that only he was so cranky. Outside the market, we found so many good kurtas. It was around 250. We purchased around 5 to 6 kurtas from here. You should see the quality of these kurtas. It is really good. If you wear it, you can feel the richness in that. Some more accessories, guys, and it cost around 100, 150, 200. In that range you can find very nice, really fashionable accessories. Shopping, it's a must visit to this famous shop in Jayanagar 4th block, which is called the Cool Joint. So let's have some ice cream and some juice. Guys, we ordered for this lychee melba. I'm a big fan of lychee. Guys, if you are new to this place and if you want to spot this market, it is very easy. There is this bus stand, Jayanagar 4th block bus stand. Opposite to that is this market. Done with all shopping and we are here for dinner in McD because our little nephew likes French fries. So he'll not leave this place without having that. So we came here for dinner. And the best part is, don't miss this place. Definitely visit Jayanagar 4th block for shopping. Even if you're new to Bangalore or you're already a resident of Bangalore, do come here. Be happy with all your shopping. It's time to sign off. Anjudaya Vlogs. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not done yet. Keep supporting me. Shower all your love and blessings. Do comment, like my videos. See you soon.